Most dangerous type and most smallest, are mostly found on continental currents. Has lots of ash. Ash is so hot it will evaporate you instantly. A shield volcano is the largest of all volcanoes. It is found on oceanic crust. It forms from high temperature fluid basaltic lava. Erupts with abundant lava flows. A composite volcano has alternating layers of ash and lava. It is made out of andesitic type of rock. The volcano is also called stratovolcanoes. Composite volcanoes usually erupt in a loud boom. This recording was by Jordan Peterson, and it was all about volcanoes.